All right, guys, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead and put on the Ringke tempered glass privacy premium screen protector for the Galaxy S23 Plus. So if you didn't see the unboxing video of my S23 Plus, go ahead and head over and check that out. But I wanted to go ahead and, before I start using my device, I wanted to go ahead and get my screen protector on. So as you can see, it still has the original stickers and screen protectors on it to film. Just gonna get this thing taken out here. If I can get it. Stop trolling me, stop trolling me. Here we go. All right, come on. There we go. All right. That'd have been something if I'd have broke this thing right out of the box. That'd have been bad. All right, so let's get this off here. And then we'll get this plugged in down here. It goes like that. Now, I'll rip that off in just a second, but this is what you get here. I don't really need to use any of this stuff because I'm gonna rip off, you can see, but this is what you get. If you didn't have a screen protector on yours already, this is what you'll need to go ahead and pull all of this stuff out, and you'll need to follow these instructions. Here's the glass right here. So it's gonna go on. Okay, it's gonna go on. Ooh, that's nice. Oh yeah, it's gonna go on. It's gonna go on like this. It's gonna go on like that. So we're gonna get this all set up here. Here are the instructions. This is how you do it right here. So you just put the portion on here, you peel that portion back and then touch in the center. So we'll leave that right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give this a rip. Ooh, sounds so good, feels so good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. It goes inside of these little holes right here. And it should just line, whoa, it just lined right up. Yeah, simple. You just press in the center. Now, you might not be able to see that spanning out. Yeah, you can, right there. You see it? See it healing up? You see it going up? Perfect. Yeah. And if you want to help push it along, all you do is it already healed itself on there, it looks like. But you can help push it along like this, and it will peel it off. Ringke is doing a lot more privacy glass stuff now, which I think that's pretty cool. We'll peel this off. And then, I get this, we gotta get it down. Come on, buddy, get on down. And then you'll peel it up. There we go. Oh man, that is perfect. You cannot, and let's go with the official boot, the first boot. This is the first time me booting this phone up because I took it right out of the box, did an unboxing, and then I'll show you how well that privacy glass works. Look at that. You already see the privacy glass working. Look at that. So there it is, folks. It's your man Jay. I got the Ringke tempered privacy glass on deck. Whoa, that's clean right there. You cannot see at an angle. You cannot see it. Now, I'm gonna turn to the side. Look at that. You turn it off, super dark. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next one. Link down below. Take care.